To our beloved school directress, Mrs. Florian D. Bergonia, to our guest speaker, Honorable Councilor Frankie Almeida, to our teacher, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This occasion is a special moment. This is also an opportunity to give thanks to all the people who helped us achieve this foundation of our education. To our loving parents who supported and cared for us, and the continuous love they have given us. Thank you very much. To our teachers who patiently taught basic knowledge and wisdom. We will never forget you, and in our heart accept our gratitude to my classmates and friends. I love you. You made me more sociable. I will always cherish those happy moments, like eating together, singing and dancing, reciting rhymes and prayers, playing and laughing together, among the wonderful experiences which made my early life interesting and exciting. For preparing our snacks, doing the practical life exercises. These days, our learning is easy and enjoyable. Listening to stories captured my heart and imagination, which I didn't know I had enhanced my comprehension and enriched my vocabulary, my senses, explored me through the world of science, varied activities and exercises, which gradually became complex, developed my skills and abilities in mathematics, language, and other subjects. But most of all, I learned the value of love and learning. I became a better child, motivated and full of knowledge. Above all, I offer my thanks to our Lord who gave me this blessing. Again, thank you very much at magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you.